Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ghost the Freelancer. For today's recording, we are working on a very easy hit app. It is called Image Results Challenge. So all you have to do is to judge which side is better than the other one and provide your justification. We do have a notification here. It's the guideline. There is a different guideline. You can pull that up and go through it. But this one should be really easy to understand. So let's jump into this one. For the first one, or for the first hit, it is a black, or it is Black Panther. So as you can see, there are questions here, or rather guidelines, and you can just put a check mark on them after reading it. So expected results, this is going to be very specific. It is going to be images of actors or scenes from the Black Panther movie, ads for DVD, Blu-ray, streaming of the Black Panther movie, etc. Let's click on done reading and choose between the photos here. So for this one, unfortunately, I'm gonna go here, or I am going to go with the right side and provide my justification. I'll just put it in here better. Click done and do submit. So 10 hits to finish. For this one is calendar 2022. uh, the location again is not significant importance to this query. Images of different layout, that should be easy to understand. So we'll go with this one. We'll go with this side. Uh, the photos here are of hoodies, so this is definitely a downside to the right uh, photos. So click continue. For this one, Croatia trips. The best results are images of popular destination for the Croatia trips, landmark, recommended place, and more from Croatia would also be helpful. Click done reading. Definitely this side wins. So just drag this bar and justify. Say better. And then submit it. For this one, Barack Obama with baseball cap. I'm gonna go with this side. Drag this bar and just type my justification. I'll just put in better and click submit. Moving on to the next is Christmas card. Roblox, definitely this side loses and this side wins. Obviously, the losing side is this one. Click continue. Now, cat with jacket. I'm gonna go with this side. This is the winning side. This one has humans. Oh, nope. And then just type my justification as better. Click submit. If there is something like a foreign word on the other side, that will be a losing side as well. Just do remember that. So table, uh, definitely this side wins. And then just type in there better and to submit. It's taking a bit longer to load now. We got it. For this one, US map, definitely this side wins. And then drag the bar and then type in there better. All right, guys, I think we're almost done with the qualification and we're doing good. Necklace. Let's see how these things are. Uh, Wait up. Let me check the wordings. If there are any foreign wordings here. Pendant, I'll definitely jewelry, crochet, necklaces. I'm gonna go here with the right side is better. Just put that in there, better. Submit it. Okay, left side wins. Winning side looks cleaner and more sophisticated. Okay. Losing side includes more distracting images, like the image here. All right, let's agree to it. Uh, Christmas Day DIY crafts. Uh, I am going to go with this side, and let's just say relevance here. We got one mistake. I hope we pass. We passed the qualification test. See how easy is this hit. Uh, Going back to the marketplace, this one pays around 2 cents per hit, and you got 300 hits available. Guys, please do not forget to subscribe to our tutorial channel for more tutorial or qualification videos, as well as you can join us in Facebook. Our group name is ClickWorker Philippines and Ghostly Hitters. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Thank you.